Number 44, question number 11.
Page number. Page number.
Which page number?
What answer you got for question number 11?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Good answer you got.
Ma'am, 4,800.
What you say?
Ma'am, I got 180. Ma'am,
188.
888.
88.
And have you all got the same answer?
Yes.
What answer you got for question number 12? In what answer you got for question number 12?
4,000.
4,000.
In have you got the same answer? 4,000.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is very low.
My
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Your voice is very low.
Ma'am,
Yeah, very low.
ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, your voice is very low.
ma'am.
We will be discussing subtraction with the regrouping now. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So everybody close your all the books. Close your all the
Ma'am,
books.
I have closed.
Okay. Everybody close your book. And listen. No need to write anything now. We are going to discuss how we will do the regrouping. For example, I am going to subtract 435 minus 128. If we want to subtract like this, we know both the numbers are 3-digit numbers, so the place values will be. Catherine, can you help me? Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
For a 3-digit number, the place value. Which all place values I want to?
100, 10, and 1.
Okay, 100 tens and ones. Here the first number is 430
435.
minus 128. Dear children, we are going to subtract now. Subtraction should start from which place?
Ones place.
Ones place. Here 5 and 8 are the ones place digit. 5 minus 8. What do you get 5 minus 8? Can we subtract 5? Can we take away 8 chocolates from 5 chocolates? If you only have 5 chocolates, can we take 8 chocolates from that?
No, ma'am.
No. In this case, here 5 is less, isn't it? 5 is less
Yes.
than 8. Like these cases, we have to do the regrouping, or we have to borrow. Here, we should borrow from which place? Any idea? From which place we have to borrow? From the nearest place. Which is the nearest place?
Tens place.
Tens place. Here you can see 3 tens are there. Okay. From these 3 tens, we are going to take 1 10. So, how much will be remaining over there? 3 tens minus 1 10. Here 2 tens will be remaining. Okay. Then, that 1 10 we are going to add with the 5 ones. 1 10. We got 1 10 from this tens place. That we are going to add with the 5 ones. 1 10 plus 5 ones. What you will get?
Is equal to 15.
15. Okay. Now, we have to subtract 15 minus 8. How will you subtract 15 minus 8? Either you can draw, you can use any method that you have studied. Either you can write 15 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Minus 8. So you can cross 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many lines are remaining?
7 lines.
7 lines. That means 15 minus 8 equal to 7. Okay. Now,
Okay, ma'am.
next, tens place, what do you have to subtract?
2.
2.
2 minus 2
2 minus 2. How much you will get?
is equal to 0.
0. 4 minus 1.
3.
3. This is the way we have to do the subtraction with the regrouping. Here, it was 5 is less than 8. So we borrowed from tens place. Then it becomes 15 and the 3 becomes 2 and we subtracted. Okay. Now, everybody take your workbook, page number 45. Page number 45, question number 13 we are going to do. You can do along with me. 13A and B we are going to do now. So everybody open your workbook. Thirteenth question A. There no need to do regrouping. 2148 from, you have to subtract 2148 from 3569. I told you in the last class, when from comes, you should be careful. What is the reason? You should check the bigger, which is the bigger number. Here, which is the bigger number? Sri Rukda, please unmute. Please unmute. Which number I have to write first for subtracting? 3569 or 2148? Which one I should write first? Sorry? Sorry? I can't hear you, dear. Sorry? You're not audible to me, dear. Wait, I'll come to you later. Achyut, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Which number I have to write first?
Ma'am,
Here,
this
when?
page.
Sorry?
Ma'am, this is which page?
Page number 45.
Okay.
Now, will you say from the screen? Say the answer from the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Which number we have to write first? 2148 or 3569?
3569.
3569. When from comes, you should be careful. Okay. You should write the bigger number. You should see whether which is the bigger number.
Okay, ma'am.
And minus 2148. And you can do question B also. 1487 from 3999. Here also from is there. Vedika, please unmute.
Ma'am.
For the second question. Which number we have to write first for subtracting?
3,999.
3,999 minus 1,487. All of you do fast.
Ma'am, finish.
Wait, let others complete. Have you all completed? Show me a thumbs up if you have completed. Yes. Have you all completed? Sweden, have you completed?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, why they
Ah.
are chatting?
Sorry?
Ma'am, why Sweden and all is chatting?
Anyway, now they can't chat because the chat box is disabled. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I'm appointing you. Okay. Remind me about this when we start. Okay. Can we discuss the answer? Okay. Otherwise, we won't get enough time to discuss. Okay. Adidev, not. Adidev, please unmute. Aiden, I will give you. Next, I'll give you. Aditya, last day you got chance, no,
Yes,
Aditya?
ma'am.
Huh? Have you
Yes,
got
ma'am.
chance last day, Aditya? Yes or no? Show me a thumbs up if you got last day. Yes, I gave you chance. Isn't it, Aditya? Okay. Now, Adidev,
Yes, ma'am.
from where we should start subtraction?
Ones place.
We are going to discuss question A first. So 9 minus 8. What do you got?
1,
1. 6 minus 4.
2,
2. Take 6 fingers. Close 4 fingers. 2. 5 minus
5
1.
minus 1, 4,
4.
3 minus 2, 1.
1. Okay. So will you read the answer? Will you read the number?
1,421.
Okay. Have you all got this answer? Show me a thumbs up if you got the answer. Yes, yes. Pranav and Prarthana got. Oh, okay, okay. Amaya got almost. Mayasa, have you got? Yes. Okay, very easy. Now, next question I want. Adidev, you can mute your audio now. Next, Anne Maria, please unmute.
Ma'am.
Yes, next question we can do. B. 9 minus 7.
7 is
9 minus 7. Take 9 fingers. Close 7 fingers. Take 9 fingers. Close 7 fingers. How many fingers are remaining now? Dear?
Ma'am.
How many is remaining now? 9 minus 7. Take 9 fingers. Close 7 fingers.
Ma'am, 2.
2. Then 9 minus 8.
What?
1. 9 minus 4. Take 9 fingers. Close 5 fingers. Sorry, close 4 fingers. 9 fingers. Adnanda, 9 fingers you have to take. Okay. Close 4 fingers. How many is remaining? How many fingers are remaining?
Ma'am. Ma'am, 6.
Once more. Take 9 fingers.
6.
Once more you take 9
Ma'am,
fingers.
5.
5. 9 minus 4 you will get 5. 3 minus 1?
2.
2. So will you read this number?
2,512.
12. Okay. This, I think, this is very easy. Without regrouping, the subtraction is very easy. So will you do 14th question A and B as a homework? Can you all do?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
There are also no
Yes,
reason. No reason.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Ma'am.
yes. Now, 15th question we are going to do. That is with the regrouping. Okay. That we can do together. And Hannah should help me to do the problem. Unmute. Yes. That is 16th question. A we are going to do 15th question A. 15th question A. We have to subtract 631 minus 444. Hannah? Hannah? Can you hear me? Hannah, please unmute once again.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here, the numbers have how many digits? 631 and 444.
3 digits.
3 digits. So, which are the place values I want to write?
100, tens and ones.
100,
Tens and
tens,
ones.
ones. Okay. And we have to place the numbers according to the place value. 631 minus 444. Okay. Now, which are the ones place digit?
1 and 4.
1 and 4. So 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4. Can we subtract 1 minus 4?
No, 4 minus 1.
No, we don't want to change the place. Here 1 minus 4 we have to try. We can't do because why? 1 is less.
Small.
1 is smaller than 4 or 1
Yes,
is less than
less
4.
than 4.
So what do you have to do? We have to
Take 3.
borrow from 3 tens.
3 tens.
From,
And 1 will go to tens.
from 3 tens we are going to take 1 10. So 3 minus 1, what we will get? Here 3 will become 3 minus 1.
2.
So 2. Here now 2 tens is remaining.
Mm.
And that 1 10 we are going to add with the 1 1. So here what will come? The ones place.
3.
Ones place.
6.
From 3 tens, from this tens place, we are taking 1 10 to 1 ones, or we are borrowing 1. So 3 will become 3 minus 1. In the ones place, what will get? On the ones place, what we will get?
3.
The ones place, we have to cut 1. We got 1 10 from the tens place, isn't it? We borrowed 1 10.
Yes.
And that we have to add with this 1 1. Then what we will?
2.
1 10 plus 1 1 is not 2, dear. 1 10 plus 1 1. 10 plus 1. What will get? 10 plus 1.
11.
We have to write
11.
11 over
We
here.
cannot write 11 together.
Why? That is for addition, when we are adding and getting answer. Here you can write 11 ones, no problem. That also irregular sum, that we have to regroup for getting regular sum, only that much. Okay, here we are writing 11 ones because we have to subtract 3 ones. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So here we can write like this. If we are adding and getting a double digit number only, we have problem. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
That also not wrong. We have to make it proper by regrouping. Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3, what we will get? We don't have 11 fingers. That's why we can draw 11 lines over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And you can...
From there, 3 cut.
Yes, you can cut 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. How many is remaining?
8.
8. So 11 minus 3 is?
8.
8. Then 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4. Can we subtract 2 minus 4?
No,
Why?
because 2 is lesser than 4.
2 is less than 4. So what do you have to do? We have to borrow from?
Hundreds place.
Hundreds
6.
place. So,
6.
in hundreds place, here 6 hundreds are there. From that, we are going to take 100. So, what we will get? 6 minus 1. 600 minus 100. What you will get? 600s minus 100. What you will get?
6 minus 1.
6 minus 1?
5.
5. So here we will get 500s. Then that 100 we are going to add with the 2 tens. So what we will get? 12 tens. How many tens? That
12
one we are going
tens.
to write near to this 2 and we will get 12
Tens.
12 minus 4. How you subtract 12 minus 4? You can draw 12 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And from that, how many lines we have to cut?
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many is remaining?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
8.
7, 8. Yes. So we got 8. Now,
5 minus 4.
here the question is here 444. Okay. Our question is 44. So it is from 11 we will get 8, 7 over here. Okay, there 3 I have written, it is 4. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now till where we reached? 12 minus 4, 8. Then 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4,
1.
1. So what is the answer we got?
187.
87. Isn't it? Now
Yes.
second question, do yourself fast. Second question, all of you do yourself. B. 4,461 minus 3,569. Too fast.
Ma'am, can you send this solve to the WhatsApp also?
Yes, but now you have to try to do. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ah. Achyut has completed. Second question also. B also. Oh, do B. 15th question. B. Doubt. Okay. Unmute.
Ma'am, I can't do the hundreds place of that.
B.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. We can discuss. There also you have to do regrouping. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
From the thousands place you have to borrow. Now you try. Achyut.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Yes.
don't know it's correct, but I get some
Well, it's okay. It's okay. If it is wrong, also no problem. You have to understand your mistake when we are doing. I will show you the correct answer and check where you have done the mistake. Here, all the three places, all the three places regrouping is there. 100 tens ones places you have to do the regrouping. So be careful. When you are doing regrouping, Vedika has completed. Yes, very good, very good. And check your answer. When Hail Teresa, have you completed? No, do fast. Shringa also completed. Very good. Asher, have you completed, Asher? Your video got struck. Niharika also completed. Very good. Azad, have you completed? Prarthana and Pranav completed, I think. Yes, I saw your 4 hands. Okay. Evelyn? Yes, Aris has completed. Mayasa is doing, I think. Dear children, we don't have time. So we can discuss the answer. Otherwise, we won't get time to discuss the answer. I want... Hadi, your video is off. Please turn on your video. Then only I can ask you question. Shringa, please wait. Let our... Ameya didn't get chance.
Ma'am, I finished.
Very good, very good. Ameya, please unmute. Yes. We can do the subtraction.
Ma'am, I didn't got the hundreds place.
Yes, we can do together. Then if any doubt is there, you can clear that. So 4,461, 3,569. Okay. Now 1 minus 9. We can't subtract 1 minus 9, isn't it?
Yes. So we
1 is
tens.
less. So we have to borrow from
Tens place.
tens place. Yes, 6 tens are there. We have to take 1 10 from 1 10 from 6 tens. 6 minus 1, what you will get?
5.
5. And that 1 10 we have to add with the 1 1. So what we will get?
11.
11. 11 minus 9, what you will get?
2.
2. Again 5 minus 6. 5 is less or greater than 6?
Less.
Less. So we have to
To hundreds place.
borrow from hundreds place. Here 4 hundreds are there. From that we are taking 1. 4 minus 1, what we will get?
3.
3. And that 100 we are going to add with the 5 tens. So how many tens we will get? That one we are going to write near to 5.
4.
Sorry?
4.
Here 5 is 5 only we have to consider. From 4, this 5 is less than 6. So we have to borrow from 4. From 4 we borrowed 1. So 4 will become 4 minus 1, 3. And the 1 we will add with the 5 tens. That 100 is added with the 5 tens. So it is now 15 tens. Okay.
Okay.
That 1 we will write near to, in simple words, the 1 we will write near to in the left side of the 5. Okay.
Okay.
15 minus 6, what do you got?
9.
9. 3 minus 5. Again, can we subtract 3 minus 5?
No.
No, we have to borrow from 4,000s. From 4, we are going to subtract 1. So 4 minus 1, what we will get? 4 minus 1?
3.
3. Because we are going to take 1 from this 4,000s. That 1,000 we wrote near to we are going to write near to the 3. Now it is 1300s. 100 is the place value here. That's why I am reading 1300s. Okay. Now it is 1300s. 13 minus 5. What you will get? You have to draw 13 lines and cross 5 lines. What you will get?
Can I draw?
Yes. Otherwise we can draw together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And cross 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many is remaining?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
How many is remaining?
8.
8. And 3 minus 3?
3
Next
minus
place, 3 minus 3, 0. So we got 892 as the answer. I know some confusions will be there now also. Still, because we will be discussing the same topic next day also. But try to do.
Confusion.
Yes, 16th question A and B. Try to do yourself. Next day we will be discussing the answers and we will do more problems. So by practicing, you can remove all these difficulties. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, my dear children. Try to do 16th question A and B. If you're getting a wrong answer also, don't worry. We will be discussing the next day. Okay? You are doing alone only, you will understand. Okay, you will get more practice. That's why the 14th and 16th question do as a homework. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.